Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like 3 months since we put a video out. It's been really busy here. I've been really busy. Just work. Hunting season started here in Texas, and I've been doing that mostly. Um, I've done a couple things to the truck. We've got it started and running. Other than that, that's about it. I bought batteries, made battery cables, and I filmed that, and you'll all see that in the upcoming video here. Other than that, really haven't done too much. I've dropped the back. I've taken out the blocks that were on the rear end, and haven't finished that. I haven't got U-bolts or modified my U-bolts for the rear end since that. So it's just been sitting on the axle, nothing holding it together. So hopefully it doesn't go anywhere. But other than that, I've been doing a lot of research on parts and things I've needed, and just saving things to buy. For example, did a bunch of research on miles per hour, RPMs, and the whole basically drivetrain we have for the truck. And I don't think the 5-speed will do it. I think it's going to be geared to, I think it's geared too high, I think is what it is. And basically we need 2 more gears to go a comfortable speed that I want to go, and not have too much of RPM bearing on the engine, basically. So right now, if I want to go the max I can go with the transmission we have in the rear end gear ratio, I can go 50 miles an hour and it'll be at 2,000 RPMs. That's kind of high for what I want. I don't really want the engine to be at 2,000 RPMs going 50 miles an hour. And I'd like to go faster than 50 miles an hour. So what we are doing, I looked it up. I need 2 more gears in the transmission to get around 70 miles an hour with the gear ratio we have on the rear end. And that'll be, I think I have it calculated to like 1,700 RPMs at, it's two more gears, but I don't think you can find 2 more gears. I think it's going to be an 8-speed transmission more likely. So I'll have 3 more gears. So at the 8th gear, I should be around 1,700 RPMs and be able to go 70 miles an hour. And I calculated the transmission gear ratio, rear end ratio, and tire size. I've tried to make everything work there. I was going to go ahead and get a different rear end and maybe do it as a dually, but I didn't want to go that route. I don't want to spend the money, and it's just a little more of an expense for me. So I've been doing a bunch of research. I think I can find an 8-speed. I can't remember if Spicer has a 7-speed or 8-speed. I know I think Easton might have a 7 or 8-speed. I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head. But more than likely, we're going to be switching the transmission out to get a little more speed and less RPM. So, other than that, not much has changed. I did get a new daily driver, and I've done some work on that. Not really work on the truck, but just upgrades. I did some side steps. And I built a headache rack for it to tie in my job box and all that. Still kind of working on that a little bit, just finishing things up. They're going to be, I did film it, but it's going to be a really short video if I did put it out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not, guys. But other than that, thanks you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for just tagging along, watching these videos for me. Thanks for everything. If you have not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and like the videos. It'll help out a lot for me. It'll give me a little more motivation on getting these videos out. And I do appreciate all the subscribers I already have. Thanks, guys, for sticking around, and enjoy the video.